Hi, my name is Vadim, and I'm here to present to you one of the most unique and beautiful condos on the North Shore here in Vancouver. So there's a 360-degree view on the top, over 2,000 square feet. You can see the whole thing, the mountains, downtown, everything. On this floor, almost 2,000 square feet of the terrace. So check out the view. This is only on the ground floor. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful. Afterwards, we will go upstairs. You can see the stairs right there, where you can see the deck. So come with me. I will present to you this beautiful apartment. So, come in. So, hardwood floors. The windows are from bottom till up, so it's very high windows, filling the whole floor. All of the appliances are Bosch, German, good quality, beautiful marble. Everything is unique, everything is beautiful, so top-notch experience the whole time. You can see we have all of the appliances here, dishwasher, all of the baking stuff, a freestanding table, fridge, freezer, and of course, electric gas stove. Let's continue. This is the entrance over here. So here you have the entrance area with the first washroom. So there are three bedrooms. They're all ensuite, which means all of them have bathrooms inside. So we have the first spaces over here to a little den. Here are all of the. Here's the second space to put your stuff. We are continuing. We come into the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Always light everywhere, windows in every bedroom. So there's light anywhere you are. There's a washroom here with bathtub, of course. Also space to put your stuff. That was the first smaller bedroom. Let's go to the second one. And we have number two. Number two, again with a closet. Again, windows, light everywhere we are. AC, by the way, I forgot to say that there's air conditioning everywhere. And this is, of course, the master bedroom. Again, the beauty is you can see the mountains. You have light from everywhere. The beautiful view. Great sunny weather today. Vancouver is becoming more sunny every year, so come over. Global warming is doing something positive for the city. And here we have the double sink marble bathroom with a shower over 2 meters high. So a feeling of space, of comfort throughout the whole apartment. Now let's go upstairs and we'll show you the deck over there. Just gonna take my shoes. Enjoying the view. This is the stairs. to go to the deck. It's an awesome experience. You're gonna have barbecues, invite the whole city. Absolutely beautiful feeling of freedom. So 360 degrees, mountains, water, a very special place. So I would say, if you want to have a condo with unlimited amount of terrace, beautiful appliances, high ceilings, air conditioning, 3 bedrooms, 2,000 square meters, almost over here. The bottom terrace is also almost 2,000 feet, and the condo itself 2,000 square feet. Take a look and take it. I would if I could. Thank you so much.